So for exercise B, first we have to understand substitution. Substitution means to put in the place of other. So in the place of variables, we have to put some values, whatever they have given. So that values we are keeping in the place of variables, then we can find the value of algebraic expression. We can evaluate the value of algebraic expression by using substitution method to put in the values. So that is 7b. Here see, evaluate the given expression for each values n given in the following table. So table lo ichina values ivi nana. In textbook they have given this only. N value 2, 1, 0, 3. These all problems are based on these values only. They have given in the form of table. I have taken like this. So here we have to put if n plus 3 is equals to, if n is equals to 2, what is n plus 3? In the place of n we have to put 2. 2 plus 3. What is this? 5. Okay na? If n is equals to 1, n plus 3 is equals to 1 plus 3. How much? 4. Is it easy for you? In the place of n here we have to put 0. If n is equals to 0, n plus 3 is equals to 0 plus 3. Just we have to put in the place of n whatever they have given. వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చింది మనం n plus లో put చేయాలి. Just you have to keep there and then do the operation. So variable ఉన్నప్పుడు మనకి వాల్యూ తెలియదు కానీ ఫిక్స్డ్ వాల్యూ పెట్టేసాం కదా, then we can add. So here 3 will get. And n value 3 means n plus 3 is equals to, we have to put 3 here. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Okay na? Next for 2n. If n value 2, then 2n is equals to what nana? In the place of n we have to put 2. 2 2s are 4. If n is equals to 1, 2n is equals to 2 into 1 is equals to 2. If n is equals to 0, 2n is equals to 2 into 0, 0. Okay na? If n is equals to 3, 2 into n is equals to 2 into, in the place of n we have to keep 3. 2 3s are 6. So these are the answers for that. And same you can do this. If n is equals to 2, 3n plus 2 is equals to what? If n is equals to 1, 3n plus 2 is equals to what? In the place of n, we have to keep this value. If n is equals to 0, 3n plus 2 is equals to what? If n is equals to 3, 3n plus 2 is equals to what? Just you see this one also. 3 into, in the place of n, we have to put 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. Total 8. Okay na? And 3 into n plus lo 1 petali plus 2. 3 into 1, 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. And in the place of n we have to take 0 plus 2. 2 we have to take. And in the place of n we have to put 3 plus 2 is equals to 9 plus 2. 11 we'll get. So in that manner we can do all these problems. Okay, here second bit. The entire exercise 7b is about substitution only. Substitution, the values we have to substitute in algebraic expression. 3c by a. Here we have to substitute in the place of c the given value, and in the place of a the given value we have to just substitute and then solve. Say here 3c by a. Here c value they given as c is equals to 10, b is equals to 6, a is equals to 5. First read the entire verbal sentences what they have given. If a is equals to 5, b is equals to 6, c is equal to 10, find the value of the given. So 3c by a. Here we have to substitute. Take a notebook and write this problem. 3c by a. Write down Nana. Note down this. 3c by a. Here a value 5, b value 6 and c value 10. This also you have to take. These three values you have to take and substitute here. First bit is 3c by a. Okay, are you noting? Yes. Have you noted this? A is equals to 5, B is equals to 6, C is equals to 10. You have to note these first three values in your notebook. A 5, B 6, C 10. Okay na? Okay na? Okay, note down. A value 5, B value 6, C value 10. And first bit under that 3C by A. Just we have to substitute C value and A value. Okay, try to do this. 3 into C value 10 we have to substitute by A value what? 5. Okay na? Cancellation process. Now we can do cancellation. 3 into 10, 30 by 5. Yes, 5 to the. Yes, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, we can cancel. 3 twos are, 6 is the answer. Okay na? So in that manner we can substitute and we can solve the problem. So next to. Yes, because here B is not there. B is not there. So that's why, or else like this also we can do Nana. Direct multiply these two. 3 into 10, 30 by 5. So now also we can cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are. Directly we'll get 6. So like this also we can do. Direct cancellation cheyochu. Multiplication after also we can do the cancellation. Is it okay for you? Understandable? Okay na? Did you understand? Okay. And next AB by C. Here A value what Nana? A value 5. 5 into B value what? 6. By C value 10. 10 only na? Here see 10. Then cancel now. 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Yes. 6 by 2 will get. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So answer is 3, or else direct multiply. 30 by 10 also will get 3. Okay na? Did you got? You got now? 3? I think you got. Next one is A plus B by C minus A. This is the third bit. Have you understood Nana? Second bit AB by C. 3 we got. Next one is A plus B by C minus A. What is A value? 5 plus B value 6. C value 10 minus A value 5. So here we have to do don't do direct cancellation ikkada cheyoddu nana, because here in between we have plus symbol. So first we have to do addition. 5 plus 6 11 by 10 minus 5 5. Okay. So no cancellation possibility. 11 by 5 is the answer. Directly we can leave. The proper or improper fraction? Improper fraction. We can write this one as mixed fraction also like this. 5 to 10. 1 is the remainder. So 2, 1 by 5. Like this also we can write. Okay na Kaushik? Okay. Next one, you note this. 6C minus 2AB. Try to do this Nana. 6C minus 2AB. Try to do this. Substitute the values here. 6 into C value what Nana? 10. Yes? C value 10 in the problem. C value 10 minus 2 into A value 5. B value 6. Your mother is calling. 6C minus 2AB. This one you have to note. 6C minus 2AB. Substitute the value. C value 10, A value 5 and B value 6. Okay na? Are you noted already? Have you got that? A value 5, B value 6, C value 10 they have given in the textbook only. ఈ values textbook లో ఇచ్చాడు. So that we have to substitute in this problem. ఈ bit లో substitute చేయాలి. C value 10 in the place of C I am substituting 10. Putting the values. 2 into A value 5, B value 6. So 6 tens are 60 minus 2 5s are 10, 10 6s are 60. Yes, correct only na? 2 5s are 10, 10 6s are 60. 60 minus 60 will get 0. So the answer is 0. This is about second bit. Now next problem is third bit. What they have given? Third bit, first problem they have given, but values they have given. If A is equals to 6 and X is equals to 2, find the value of the given problems. 2 bits only they have given. Under these 2 problems only they have given. Under the third bit, 2 problems. A plus 6x by 5a minus 3x. So in the place of A we have to substitute x 6 and in the place of x we have to substitute 2. ఎక్కడ ఏ ఉంటుందో అక్కడ we have to put the value 6. 6 plus in the place of A 6 we have to put plus 6 into in the place of x we have to put 2 divided by 5 into here A value 6 we have to keep minus 3 into x value 2 we have to. Is the screen show visible to you? 6 plus 6 to what Nana? Is it okay now? Okay. What? Now is it okay? 6 plus 12. 6 plus 12 by notebook. A value 6 and x value 2. So under that first problem A plus 6x by 5a minus 3x. We have to just put in the values. A value 6 we have to put and x value 2. That only I done. See 6 plus 6 into 2. 5 into A means 6. 3 into x means 2. ఎక్కడైతే ఏ ఉంటుందో అక్కడ 6 కీప్ చేయాలి. ఎక్కడైతే x ఉంటుందో అక్కడ 2 పెట్టాలి. So 6 plus 6 2s are 12, 5 6s are 30 minus 3 2s are 6. First we have to do addition and subtraction because multiplication ఉన్నప్పుడు direct గా cancellation చేస్తున్నాం. So here you don't do like that. You should not do like that. 12 plus 6 18 by 30 minus 6 how much? 24. So now we can cancel with 6 table Nana. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. 3 by 4 is the answer. Okay? 3 by 4. This is proper fraction only. 3 by 4. So next second problem under that. Here also same Nana. In the place of A we have to keep 6 and in the place of X we have to keep 2. Plus 7 into X means 2 minus 10 divided by 4 into A value 6, X value 2 minus 3 into A value 6 minus 2. Just multiply these 3. 2 6 are 12, 12 2s are 12 2s are very good. 24 plus 7 2s are 14 minus 10 divided by 6 4 6 are 24, 24 2s are 48. Yes, 48 minus 3 6 are 18 minus 2. So here 24 plus 14 positive values I am adding. So 38 will comes minus 10 by here these two are negative numbers Nana. Those I will add. Minus 18 minus 2 minus 20. So what is the value here? 38 minus 10 means 28. 48 minus 20 means 28. 28 ones are 28 ones are. What is the answer? 1 is the answer here. Okay now? 1 is the answer. Next here they have given for P is equals to 2, Q is equals to 3, R is equals to minus 1. మనం సాల్వ్ చేయాల్సింది ఇది. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం లో we have to put in the values Substitute the values. P value 2, Q value 3 and R value -1 we have to substitute. So what is P, Nana? Here PQ into P plus 3 plus R. In the place of P, 2 we have to keep. In the place of Q, we have to keep 3 into P plus 3. P means 2 plus 3 plus R means -1. So just multiply these two. 3 2 is 6 into 2 plus 3. 5 plus into -1. 5 6 is 30 -1. What is the answer? 29. Okay. So next we have to substitute the values. We have to substitute the values here also same. P value 1, Q value 4 and R value -2. So in the place of P we have to substitute 1 and in the place of Q we have to substitute 4 minus R in the place of R -2 we have to keep, Nana. Just don't confuse here. Minus ikkada undi. Malli R value -2. So 2 times we have to take minus. Okay na? So 12 into 1, 12. 4 minus into minus plus, Nana. 4 plus 2. So 12 into 6. 12 6 is 72 is the answer. Don't get confused. Do these problems carefully. Very easy substitution. In entire algebra, substitution is the most important thing. So next one. Here. The algebraic expression what they have given? Given algebraic expression 1 minus x plus 5. So here x value -2 we have to do. X is equals to -2, y is equals to -7 we have to substitute. So in the place of x 1 minus -2 we have to place. X lo -2 pettal. Plus in the place of y -7 we have to keep 1 minus into minus plus 2 plus into minus -7. So 1 plus 2 3 minus 7. What is the answer, Kaushik, here? 3 minus 7 minus 4 or 3 minus 7 minus 4 or plus 4 or? Larger number ki negative symbol undi. -7 nana, 3 minus 7. So larger value ki minus undi kabatti answer ki kuda minus vastundi. Okay na? Okay. Next problem. A minus B, B minus C. This is the algebraic expression they given. In the solution, given algebraic expression is A minus B into B minus C. So in the place of A, 2 pettali. In the place of B, -5. In the place of C, -8. Just to substitute all those values. Is the substitution okay for you? Easy only na? Substitution easy ga unda? Okay. In the place of A, 2 pettali. Minus in the place of B, -5 nana. -5 in brackets. Already here minus undi kada. Mali B place lo minus vastundi. -5 they have given. Don't get confused. So in the place of B, -5 minus in the place of C, -8. So here this minus is important and C lo unna minus kuda important. So 2 minus into minus plus 5 into -5 minus into minus plus 8 is equals to 2 plus 5 7 into -5 plus 8. Here plus vastundi nana. Larger number will have positive symbol. So here answer will have positive symbol. Larger number is positive. So answer also will have positive. 7 3 is 21 is the answer. So in that manner, be careful and do the problems very easy. So here in the place of M2 we have to keep. In the place of N5 we have to keep. This is the algebraic expression. 8. In the place of M2 we have to keep. In the place of N5 we have to keep minus. In the place of M2, in the place of 5. So 8 into 5 plus 2 7 minus 5 2s are 10. So 8 7s are 56 minus 10. 46 is the answer. Okay. Next one is multiple choice. fifth problem is multiple choice questions. The value of a square plus 2a minus 3 for a is equals to 2. So which one is correct among these? Just substitute, Nana. So given algebraic expression what? A square plus 2a minus 3. Here in the place of a, 2 we have to substitute. So 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 3 is equals to 2 square means what, Nana? 2 into 2, 4. Okay? Plus 2 into 2, 4 minus 3. Two positive values first we have to add. 4 plus 4, 8 minus 3. 5 is the answer. Option C correct. Okay, na? Option C is correct. Next one is evaluate x divided by 5 plus 2x, where x is equals to 10, Nana. So solution, algebraic expression x divided by 5 plus 2x. Here we have to consider divided by first. So x divided by 5 plus 2x we have to take. Okay. First preference manam divided by kiyali. So how can we consider this one? The entire bracket we have to consider. First we have to do division. Okay. Then addition. This is Bard-Moss rule we have to consider first. Bard-Moss rule. Divided by first. B bracket of D MAS. So first division kada. Bracket of leave kabatti leave it. D-Moss rule we have to take. Division first, then multiplication, then addition. So first preference idi, then multiplication, then addition finally. Yes. So x value what, Nana? 10 divided by 5 plus 2 into 10. So first we have to do this division. D-Moss rule. So 10 divided by 5 means 2 plus, next we have to do second option this, Nana. This first preference, the second preference 20. So third ga manam cheyalsindi addition. 22 is the answer. So here option B is correct. Okay. Option B is correct. So next one is which expression is not equals to 18 antunnadu. So not equals to 18. So a bit what they have given 2t, t is equals to 9. 2 into 9, 18. So ఇది correct. Not equals to రావాలి మనకు. B bit t minus 5. Here t is equals to 23. So implies 23 minus 5. How much, Nana? 18. This one is also correct. C bit 3t plus 3. T is equals to 5. In the place of 3, in the place of t, 5 we have to keep. So 5 into 3, 15 plus 3, 18, Nana. This one is also correct. Manak not equals kavali. So 90 divided by 3. T is equals to 5. Is equals to 9 into 5 divided by 3. 9 5s are how much? 45 divided by 3. So 45 by 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. This is not correct. So option D is the not equal value here. Option D correct, Nana. Last problem. Your mother says, Kaushik, just listen the problem and read the problem in your textbook. If you have, you can read. And your mother says to calculate your pocket money. Multiply your age by itself. What is your age, Kaushik? 11. Multiply your age itself. Ante emanattu 11 into 11. Okay na? 11 into 11, 121 nana. Okay na? 11 into 11, 121. Then double it. Double chaydani. 121 ni double. How much will get? 242. Yes, 242 is the your pocket money annattu. Yes, multiply your age by itself and then double it. So here write x value we have to take. Your age, let your age be x. Let age be x. X kinda teeskundam. Okay na? Algebraic expression ela rayalana? Multiply by itself ante x into x kada. So we can write x square. సో అండ్ డబుల్ ఇట్ అంటున్నాడు, అంటే డబుల్ చేయాలి. ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ డబుల్ చేస్తే 2x² ఇస్ ద ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు నీ ఏజ్ 11 years కదా, బికాస్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్ 6th class. సో దట్స్ వై దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. చేస్తే 242 ఈజ్ యర్ పాకెట్ మనీ. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, అది ప్రూఫ్. ఓకేనా? నీ ఏజ్ తీసుకొని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. సో నీ ఏజ్ని మల్టిప్లై విత్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ డబుల్ ఇట్. వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ 121 కదా, 11 into 11 121. దాన్ని డబుల్ చేస్తే 242 rupees ఈజ్ యువర్ పాకెట్ మనీ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ 8th problem. So up to here our exercise finished and the entire chapter is this only. Yes, and yesterday I have given homework. I think you didn't done. Now I will do that also. See, n is equals to 2. If n is equals to 2, 10n minus 3 is equals to 10 into n value 2 minus 3. 10 2s are 20 minus 3. 17 is the answer. And if n is equals to 1, 10n minus 3 is equals to 10 into n value 1 we have to put. Minus 3, 10 into 1, 10 minus 3, 7 is the answer. If n is equals to 0, 10 into 0 minus 3. 10 into 0, 0 minus 3. Minus 3 is the answer. And if n is equals to 3, Nana, last one, if n is equals to 3, 10n minus 3 is equals to 10 into 3 minus 3. 30 minus 3, 27 is the answer. Okay. And the last one, 3n by n. If n is equals to 2, 3 by 4 into 2, Nana, 2 ones are 2 twos are. 3 by 2 is the answer. And if n is equals to 1, 3 by 4 into 1, 3 by 4 is the answer. And if n is equals to 0, 3 by 4 into 0, 0. And if n is equals to 3, 3 by 4, n is equals to 3 by 4 into 3. So 3 3s are 9 by 4. No cancellation. Chance ledu. Here 100 n square. 100 into n value. If n is equals to 2, I am taking. 2 square minus 19. So 400 will comes because 2 square means 4. 4 into 100, 400 minus 19. You calculate this one. 400 minus 19. 400 minus 19. How much, Nana? 1. 10 minus 9. 1. Here already it has given 1 borrow. So here 3. Here 9. So 9 minus 1, 8. 381 is the answer. So if n is equals to 2, 100 n square minus 19 is equals to 381 will come. And if n is equals to 1, we have to take 100 into 1 square minus 19 is equals to 100 minus 19, 81 will comes. If n is equals to 0, 100 into 0 square minus 19. 100 into 0, 0, yes? 0 minus 19, minus 19 is the answer. And if n is equals to 3, 100 into 3 square minus 19. 3 square means 9, Nana, minus 19. 900 minus 19. How much will comes? 881 is the answer. So in that manner we have to do. So this is